All right, in this section, I'm going to show you how HighLevel can be the last calendar appointment scheduling app you ever use. Before we do that, I want to jump into a story really quick, okay? So this story starts back in 2019 when we were using HighLevel, one of the first earliest adopters of HighLevel, not only in the mortgage industry, but overall. We were using HighLevel as a way to help our consumer direct, our clients that we were helping with consumer direct lead gen in the mortgage industry, helping them close leads through marketing automation. And so there was a handful of features that we were very protective of and a handful of features that we wanted to see them invest in. And we didn't want to see HighLevel invest too far outside of those features. Okay. Calendars was one of the first features that I saw them investing in that I was against and made me feel like HighLevel maybe was going in a direction that we didn't want to be a part of. And I tell you this candidly today because we were so wrong, right? Not only was HighLevel the first feature where we saw, oh crap, maybe they're trying to do too much, right? We were using Calendly at the time. Calendly is the gold standard when it comes to appointment scheduling, right? So we're using Calendly and we're saying, why are they trying to do what Calendly does so well? This doesn't make any sense. And thank God that we stuck around, and thank God that we were wrong, because calendars also became one of the first features that I saw and was able to compare to the gold standard and go, oh, holy crap, HighLevel can do some really cool stuff. My story leads into calendars being a really cool functionality of HighLevel, a really advanced functionality of HighLevel, one that allows you to do some really cool stuff with your marketing automation, with your resource management. If you've got team members that you want to give access to, public facing appointments, like there's resource management that you can do in there. Calendars are, a lot of people sleep on calendars. So I'm hoping that you guys enjoy this section and that you guys get a lot out of this. Please make sure that you stay tuned, stick around all the modules in the section, and let me know if you find anything missing or anything that you want to learn more about. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the other side.